Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins easy recipe, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a muffin tin with liners or grease. Mix dry ingredients separately from wet ingredients, then fold batter until just combined without overmixing. Spoon batter 2/3 into each cup for even domes and bake until golden and a skewer comes out clean. Cool briefly before glazing or serving to preserve texture and flavor. Warm tone, gentle mixing keeps muffins tender, so use a light hand and stop when streaks of flour disappear. If you overmix, gluten tightens and muffins get chewy, so fold with a spatula just until combined. Room temperature eggs and milk blend more evenly, giving consistent crumb and lift. Add mix-ins like berries or chocolate chips last and fold them in to keep batter from becoming streaked or heavy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers are great for transporting muffins without mess, and they stack neatly for fridge storage, making them perfect for lunchboxes or gifting. I love the secure seals and durable build for keeping muffins fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep an eye on baking time since ovens vary, and rotate the pan halfway if needed for even color. A clean skewer means they are done, while a few moist crumbs are fine for a tender crumb. Allow muffins to cool in the tin for 5 to 10 minutes to set, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling before glazing or storing. This prevents sogginess and helps flavors settle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.